안녕하세요.
Welcome to Lesson 1 of our Korean Grammar series. In this lesson, we'll be laying the foundation for your journey into the Korean language by exploring the basic grammar structure. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this lesson will set you on the right path to understanding the building blocks of Korean sentences. Get ready to grasp essential concepts, learn fundamental sentence patterns, and start forming your own sentences in no time. So, let's dive in and begin your exciting adventure into the world of Korean grammar. Basic Korean Structure. Lesson 1. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. In Korean, the basic sentence structure follows a subject-object verb SOV pattern. 1. Subject.
주어,
This is the person or thing that performs the action in the sentence. It usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. 2. Object.
목적어,
This is the person or thing that receives the action in the sentence. It typically comes after the subject and before the verb. 3. Verb.
동사,
This is the action or the state of being in the sentence. It usually comes at the end of the sentence. Here's an example to illustrate the SOV sentence structure. English, I eat an apple. Korean,
나는 사과를 먹어요.
translation, I, subject, apple, object, eat, verb. English, I eat an apple. Korean,
나는 사과를 먹어요.
translation, I, subject, apple, object, eat, verb. English, SVO, she reads a book. Korean, SOV.
그녀는 책을 읽어요.
Translation, she, subject, book, object, read, verb. English, SVO, she reads a book. Korean, SOV.
그녀는 책을 읽어요.
Translation, she, subject, book, object, read, verb. English, SVO, they watch a movie. Korean, SOV.
그들은 영화를 봐요.
Translation, they, subject, movie, object, watch, verb. English, SVO, they watch a movie. Korean, SOV.
그들은 영화를 봐요.
Translation, they, subject, movie, object, watch, verb. English, SVO, he plays soccer. Korean, SOV.
그는 축구를 해요.
Translation, he, subject, soccer, object, play, verb. English, SVO, he plays soccer. Korean, SOV.
그는 축구를 해요.
Translation, he, subject, soccer, object, play, verb. Keep in mind that Korean has various levels of politeness, which can affect verb endings and sentence structure. Depending on the level of formality and context, The sentence structure and verb endings might change. Remember to adjust the sentence endings based on formality and politeness levels in Korean.
감사합니다.
That wraps up Lesson 1 on Basic Korean Grammar Structure. I hope you found this lesson helpful in getting started on your Korean language journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep reviewing and applying these grammar concepts in your studies. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons to come, where we'll dive even deeper into the wonders of the Korean language. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future lessons. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comments section below. Until next time.
안녕히 계세요.